Hey, what's up with it, y'all? We back in this thing, you know what I'm saying? Exo Tokyo, let's get it. We back in this thing with some puppet combo murder house, bro. Now, if y'all a big fan of horror games, bro, y'all know some of the biggest YouTubers that played this game, bro. So, wish me luck, bro. Cause I'm new to this horror shit, bro. Like I didn't play Outlast, Resident Evil, and all, but these PC games, bro, these PC horror games, bro, they hit a little different, bro. A little different. Alright, let's hop straight into it though. Like, I did a video on the Prolude yesterday, bro. Fucking had a jump scare, bro. Y'all would have been tripping, bro, but my frames were so fucked up. Welcome to the gaming world, bro. I fixed my settings today. Thank you, bro. I wish I could upload that video, bro, but it's too fucked up, bro. Y'all don't want to. Y'all gonna be like, what the fuck? Let's get into it, bro. Murder House, 1988. Let's get it. New game. It's locked. Wow. Let's go around this way. Like, bro, one of them know they could have helped me, bro. Okay, let's try the front door now. If this worked, I just wasted. Well, I did see a shotgun. What did I miss, bro? And Velma kind of got some cake, though. A little flapjack. Hold on. Okay, there we on to something. These controls are the worst controls. A basement window. Boop. I don't like these sounds, y'all. I can't believe I'm breaking into a house. Shit, me either. Sure is creeping. Don't tell me that, Velma, bro. Please don't be. Oh my god, bro. Okay, let's get to it. This cabinet. Everything is locked in here, bro. Somebody been here. Oh my god, this dark ass hallway, bro. Why it's so dark? Hello? Okay, let's go back. Velma, let's go back. Velma. Go back towards the light, Velma. I don't like these funky ass controls, y'all. I might not beat this game. Hit left, hit that left. Yes, sir. I might not beat this game, y'all. I gotta get used to these horror games, bro. And I'm at the house by myself, bro. The wrong thing I need to be playing right now, bro. Okay, let's use that stamina now. I don't like that. Stop slamming the door. We don't know who is here in this bit. Okay, I'm trying to find the way to let y'all in, bro, because I'm creeped the fuck out, bro. Like, I can't open. Oh my god, bro, it's too dark. I mean, it's too quiet, bro. It's too quiet. Please tell me this is the front door. Okay, we in the living room. It's some. Oh my god. Big ass steps in those fucking Converse. Them not even Converse. Them shoes. They just shoes, bro. What that is on the ground. a hole in the floor. I see something shiny at the bottom, but I can't read. Wow. So don't tell me I'm gonna have to go under there and go find what's shining. Might be a key though. Where is this, bro? Oh my god, how the fuck do I... Hold on, there's something on the table though. Someone left a note. Read it. I don't like these sounds. Hey, it's Jerry, the real estate agent. Looked like someone broke the lock on the basement window and got into the house since the last time I was over here. They stole the goddamn fuse, so the power is out. Don't worry, I know there's another fuse around here somewhere. I left the front door open in case I don't hear you guys drive up. Just shoot for me when you get inside. I mean, shout for me. Wow. Okay, let's go. Let's open this door. This shit bad. What? And how did I end back in here? Hold on, bro. Hold on, bro. Hold on, bro. This shit creepy, bro. This shit creepy, bro. I ain't gonna even cap to y'all right now. I don't know what I'm gonna do when the jump scare comes, bro. Like, y'all might get one jump scare out of me, then I'm off of this nasty ass looking game, bro. Like, just the aesthetic, the aesthetic itself is locked. Oh my god, bro. Is this a door? Please. Okay. Bring y'all ass in this house.
Did you see that goddamn real estate agent?
No, I ain't see him, bro.
No, the house is empty.
I don't like her energy.
That bastard. I should have given you the $50.
Shit, you still can.
Ew, it's musty.
Okay, now let's get back in the car.
Chop chop, it's time to hustle. Grab all the equipment in the van and get it in there. We're gonna set up.
Grab all the equipment and get it in there. We're gonna set up. Shut up, fat bastard. So I gotta do this by myself? Give me that $50, bro. Oh my god, see, I see what this game about to be on. I already see. I'm already knowing what this game about to be on, bro. I'm already knowing. She running like this San Andreas or some shit. Damn. Okay, get in there. Get in there. Bro, where y'all at? Where y'all at? Hello? I hope this hard. Shit, me too. Velma, you supposed to be in college somewhere, girl. You barking up the wrong career right now. Ooh. Okay now, don't be doing that shit. Like, bro, one of them know they could have helped me, bro. Tom, your ass could have helped me, bro. God damn, she running like she holding a chopper or something. I said I'm gonna try not to hit the mic, and I'm steady doing it. Like, I gotta give me a mic. That's up there. These sound effects, bro. The lights are set up, but there's no power in this house. Damn it. I better tell someone. Like, they gonna help you, bro. Nobody's gonna, they gonna say, get down there and fix it. Like, you wasting your time. Tom, can you do something about these lights, bro? Leatherface looking at. Face big as hell.
This is a cool house.
I don't trust Tom, bro. He think this is cool? Something up with him. Something up with Tom.
I hate every second of this.
Me too, Velma. Should've bought Scooby and them.
What are you waiting around for? Turn on those lights and let's get rolling.
The power's out.
We'll turn it back on.
What'd I just say?
I don't know how.
Exactly. Get your fat ass down there and do it.
Figure something out.
I'm not gonna feel bad for him when he die. I'm not gonna feel bad for him, bro. Damn! I do not want to be in her shoes right now. Can I switch characters? Let me be Tom. Shit, he ain't scared. Fuck! I gotta go back in this. Now you can unlock doors and shit, like. I ain't picked up one key. Oh, nah. That's the same door. Go back in. No, sir. We ain't. I do want to be outside, but. Shit, it ain't nothing I can do out there. Gotta go back in this dark ass fucking basement, bro. Stop Hello? Is this the power box? Please, 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 please. An average fuse box. Wait, I think the fuse is... I knew it wasn't gonna be that easy. I knew it wasn't gonna be that easy. Fuck that. We walking, bro. We walking. We walk. Oh, no, sir. Oh, my God, bro. Can't believe I'm doing this, bro. I picked it up. Still. That might be where the fuse at. We need a key. Maybe I can find what was under that carpet. Maybe the key. Maybe let's go back this way before we go down that dark ass hallway again, bro. Like, I'm not trying to go down that hallway. Facts. I gotta get my controls down packed, bro, because when some shit pop off, I need to be able to juke move his ass. Whoever. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. That damn bunny, bro. Hello? Mr. Bunny. This shit isn't funny. Okay, now I'm trying to make jokes out of this shit, cause this shit is. Did I just run in a fucking circle, bro? Like, okay, see. Yeah. This about to be a long gameplay, y'all. I hope y'all ready for this. Get y'all some popcorn, get y'all some chips, and relax. Cause I can't relax, bro. At least y'all can do that. Hold on, I seen a cabinet. Let me check this big ass chest right here. An empty wardrobe. Great hiding spot. Why is she thinking like this, bro? Damn, y'all trying to fuck me up, bro. Talking about some hiding spot, bro. If you feel like you gotta hide, leave this fucking place, bro. Like, I'm not gonna be nowhere I feel like I gotta be hiding, bro, unless we playing hide and seek. This shit too dark, bro. I might have to go to the settings. Well, it's too dark for her too, so hey. I don't like this area. Oh my God. Oh my God. No, sir. Turn around. I can't do nothing in here. It's too dark. I'm trying to run every possible way. Okay, we out of there. We out of there. We out of there. Okay, let's go back upstairs, bro. We might can find some, cause I already checked almost everything down here, bro. Like, god damn, bro. Go back upstairs. Come on, Velma. Put some respect on Velma's name, y'all. She doing this. Half of y'all wouldn't have the boss to do this. Okay, let's check some more drawers. Yes, sir. You open all this shit as if you're... Okay, can I go down? Oh, okay. A bunch of junk. somebody ass about to get stabbed. Okay, back out, back out. Somebody about to be stabbed. Here's another drawer. Yes, can we find a knife or something, bro? We need that. Fuck! Empty. What a waste. Let's keep checking. Let's keep checking. I don't know why I'm checking this refrigerator. Yes. There's no way. Good thinking. Yes. Search everything, bro. We need to find this damn fuse. Creaking ass shit, bro. Wow. Okay, let's go back through that other door. No. Let's go this way. Is this leading to the living room? I can't. Oh, I forgot it doesn't have a doorknob. Okay, let's go this way. Maybe we can find some more cabinets or something. Who knows? Can't check those. Let's go upstairs. Let's go upstairs. This about to be wild, y'all. I can go upstairs. Y'all just don't know how wild this about to be. No, sir. Nothing in there. Fuse. Let's get it. Shitty ass sound, bro. Okay, while we up here, bro, we still about to look for some more shit, bro. Cause I fuck around and can find another gun around here. See, here goes something right here. We gotta keep looting. Let's keep looking for stuff, bro. Action. No, turn around. There's something on the floor. Pick it up. What do I need these pencils for, bro? What am I about to write a story? Well, we are here for a story, but I'm not here to write. I'm here to collect the cheese and escape. Ah! Bro, don't start this shit, y'all. I'm already ready to hop off. I'm at the house by myself. Okay, just checking, make sure ain't nobody in my hallway. Bro, that shit was... You can't be doing that. Hell no. We going back downstairs. Hell no. Hey, y'all. It's a little red-headed bitch up here, bro. Hey, Tom, it's a red-headed bitch in there. Y'all go check. Hey, Daphne. Hey, what's your name? Bald guy. It's a red-headed bitch upstairs, bro. I know I didn't just see nothing, bro. Oh my God, y'all. Hey, y'all. This gameplay about to be so fucking... I don't even want to play this shit. I'm gonna be real with y'all, bro. Like, but I know I need more content. Like, I gotta get into these horror games, bro. They be popping. I gotta get into these horror games. I play too much happy shit. Like, ain't nothing wrong with that though. But man, I don't like the way that sounds, bro. Okay, this was the way back in the basement. Let's go put this fuse in and we about to run our ass on. Why I feel like something about to be down here now. That fuse should be right here to the left. Yes, sir. Put that in. Put that in. Oh, yeah, inventory. We don't. So I'm guessing she want to check it out. Well, shit, it's gonna stay jammed. I'm out of here. I'm out of here. Them, bro. Let me find out that's the dude we supposed to meet here, bro. And he ain't washing no clothes, bro. Somebody washed his ass, bro.
Hey, the power's back on.
Duh!
Let's get started. All right, good. Everything set, Tom?
Yep. Lighting's ready. The camera's rolling.
Hey, Gary, I was thinking we could...
We could what?
I don't pay you to think, Dana. I pay you to read the goddamn script.
Damn, Gary? Fat, mean motherfucker, bro.
I hate this job.
Shit, me too. Let's go.
Well, pull it together. Ready, everyone?
He always got a comeback, like.
All right. Action.
Anthony Smith, more commonly known as the Easter Ripper. The mere mention of his name sends shivers up the spines of parents across the country, his horrible murder spree leaving lives shattered and families ripped apart. Tonight we'll go inside his vacant home, where 11 innocent children spent their final moments in agonizing pain and terror.
It's fucked up.
Untouched since those horrible crimes 8 years ago, some say his spirit still haunts the home till this day.
No, that little girl spirit. Those girls, those 8 kids, they're in this house, bro. I seen one of them.
I'm Dana Turner, and this is a News 9 special report. Silenced Tears, inside the home of serial killer Anthony Smith.
Cut. Let's take a break.
Gary,
A
I
smoke
think I
break.
want to redo the line where...
This isn't 60 Minutes, Dana. It's Channel fucking 9. We're not here to win a
Damn.
Pulitzer.
Fine. I'm going to find a place in this gross house to fix my makeup.
Don't go upstairs, round the corner, to the left, to the right, and down that hallway. Don't go down there, bro. You gonna see Wendy, bro. And please don't go in that basement. Okay, I guess we need to talk to Gary. Cause he running this shit, like, where the fuck is everyone? I'm not going upstairs. No, sir. No, sir. We not going upstairs. It's a wrap. Gary, where you? There you go.
This is a great opportunity for you.
Sure it is.
Put in a little extra effort, and you can really get ahead. If you know what I mean.
That didn't sound right, Gary, bro. Are you insisting something else other than money? Well, money, but something else? It always be these fat, open shirt, hairy chest. Just lost all my money at the casino, tight pants, cheap ass aviators, cigarette smoking, fat, bald headed bitches who be wanting to offer something, bro, other than money. Money too, though.
Okay, I'll keep that in mind.
Emma, erase it, delete it, Control Alt Delete, exit.
Where the hell is Dana? I don't want to wait around all day.
Bro, let me guess. I gotta go find Dana. Well, I guess we should start in the basement, cause that's why I feel like she went. Dana! I'm staying away from that fucking dryer, bro. Dana! Daphne! These controls, y'all. Daphne! Oh! Bro, you can't be hiding like that.
Hey, sweetie. I'm so thirsty from all that talking. Can you fetch me a glass of water?
Fetch? See, if I was if I was Velma in that position, bro, I would have been like, hey, sweetie. Fuck no. Sure. But you a dog. Go fetch, bitch. Well, technically I am, because I'm controlling you. That's why he offering you shit, because you just, you a yes man, bro. You a yes man. So he feel like he can ask you anything. Next thing you know, he gonna ask you to rub his ass. And you gonna be like, sure. He's smoking the fuck out of that Colgate ass electric cigarette, bro. Look at all that smoke around him. Stop smoking cigarettes, bro. It's not good. Okay, it look like it's a cup right here. See, can we pick that cup? Nice. And we not gonna wash this rusty ass mug out. We about to give you what you asked for. Just a sink? No, the hell it ain't. Okay, let me use inventory. I gotta remember that. I gotta remember to start using inventory. Filled it with water. Here's your piss, Daphne. I feel like, bro, the more I make jokes and talk to y'all and just make fun, bro, it makes this gameplay more like better in my view, bro. Cause y'all gonna like it regardless, bro. But me, I need to make some jokes, bro. This shit scary, bro. I need to make some jokes. I gotta make jokes. No, we're gonna go this way. I think this is quicker this way. I can't just be here immersing like an empty cabinet. You don't see this bitch next to you? Say something.
Hey, sweetie.
Fetch. Okay, I gotta. Sure. Like, look at her. She really. Velma looks sexy. She don't look like this. She catfishing. She used the Snapchat filter with some makeup. She catfishing, y'all. Cause that, hold on, y'all. Give me a sec. That right there is not that. Hell no. She catfishing. If I see you on Tinder, bitch, I'm swiping left.
I'm so thirsty from all that talking.
Oh shit, I forgot. Sure.
Here you go. Thank you.
Damn, she got them CJ hands. Two fists put together. Big hands.
Wait, did you wash this?
No, bitch. Silence.
Yes.
She capping. Just like she capping on Snapchat.
I just remembered. I found this key lying around.
And you about to give it to me because you know I'm the main character and I'm about to be the one getting chased around this bitch and I'm gonna need keys to open doors. Why this motherfucker behind me? Great.
See if you can find a real story in this house. Something that nobody has reported on.
Now I gotta go do some investigating. Okay.
And maybe
She always
you
the
can get
yes
hired
man.
on a real network.
Hey, what are you goofing around for? Set those lights up and let's get rolling.
Why your fat ass come up down here now and you could have been came and saved me all this fucking walking I'm doing. I'm walking around on a fucking torn ACL and you got me running around this bitch looking for Daphne and now you bring your big ass down here. Them tight ass jeans, bro.
Putting people to sleep here with this boring story. Time to sex this up. Hey, you.
Sex, that's all he
Me?
think about.
Yeah, you. Put this sheet on.
He got a sick fantasy.
Gary, what the fuck are you doing?
Exactly.
No one's gonna want to watch this boring thing. And your dry reporting isn't helping.
He like cosplay on a horror level.
I'm reading the teleprompter.
People want to see ghosts! Okay, intern. When Dana says he still haunts the home he grew up in, I want you to run through the background.
He still haunts the house you grew up in. Like, who the fuck gonna believe that? That movie ass shit you want me to do, bro?
Got it?
Yes, yes.
Alright, let's do this.
Whatever, bro. Let's just do this and I'm gone, bro. After Dana said he still haunts the home he grew up in, I'll run across the screen. I got you. I need you to run. Okay, I got you. Damn.
Action.
The rampage started in late March
Where am I?
1979 when Smith walked into a local mall and took a seasonal position as an Easter bunny. A job meant to spread joy and
Okay,
cheer put him
here
in
I
the
go.
perfect
Okay, let
position
me
to
get
abduct
these
young
controls.
children
Shit.
until his capture and execution in 1985. Many of the bodies have not been recovered. As told by the sole
Yes,
survivor,
sir.
Randy Martinez, Smith would release the children in his greenhouse and force them to go on a deadly Easter egg hunt while
okay,
he
let's get
stalked
ready.
and murdered them. 2 years later, many say he still haunts the home he grew up in.
Go!
God damn it! I said run by, not stand in a shot!
I was in a shot? Bro.
Action!
Okay. Did my game just crash, bro? Bro, don't tell me my game just crashed. Oh, no. Technical difficulties. Did I save? No, bro. No. Come on, bro. The sound's still working, bro. Come on. Hey, that's gonna wrap up today's gameplay, bro. If y'all enjoyed this, make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe, bro, and cut that notification bell on, bro, so you'll be notified when I drop that next banger, bro. Comment, let me know what y'all think about the gameplay. I know y'all was waiting on me to get scared, bro, but my game crashed, bro. So I gotta hop back on another time, man. Got some things to do, bro, but we for sure gonna try to finish that game, bro. Public combo, bro. Y'all live for this one. I definitely gotta play some more of y'all games on this channel, bro. But with that being said, man, Exo Tokyo out this thing. Hey! I can't really call it, but I'm flexing on my ex bitch. Hoping she don't call me. I've been chilling with the next bitch. Oh my fucking god, forgot to turn while watching Netflix. Sent the girl a picture, she text back like she won't sex this. I'm on the road.